Hello traders, the title of the video is Australian US dollar day and swing trading tips and tricks are now ready. Are you looking for Australian US dollar day and swing trading tips and tricks? Well, those tips and tricks are now ready. All right, let's get started. All right, I would like to take this opportunity first to thank trader called Sash. It worked beautifully. As you said, type in the EPIC and press enter, and then I have a data for FSCM. As you can see, I have plenty of data here for the Australian dollar, US dollar. Thank you, Sash, because I'm new to TradingView. So traders have been using TradingView, are sharing their tips and tricks with me. So that's I really appreciate those tips. Another thing that I say to traders on this channel, 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel, is that please feel free to share videos that you find that if you think that the video is essential, feel free to share with your friend, okay, on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. The reason why I'm saying that is that if for this channel, if I don't get 50 view for a video, it doesn't make me jump up, all right? Like I'm recording video quite frequently for 24 Elliott Way because the interaction on that channel is so amazing, so I'm posting quite frequently. But this is what I want to do at 24 Forex Trader. Will help us, please, by sharing our tutorial, all right? So if you are trading the Australian dollar the Australian US dollar, okay, the first thing you want to understand is that there was first what we call an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern here, all right? That inverted head and shoulder chart pattern allows professional traders to map out the chart, to set a target, because no financial instrument will go up and down for no reason. That's the first thing you want to understand. So have that inverted head and shoulder chart pattern on your chart. I'm on a monthly chart as always, and I use a measuring stick from the level of 0.7898. All right, that's the pink line there, all the way down to the zone of 0.4882. That's my measuring stick. So what a professional have done, they use that measuring stick and they project it on the top here as the price breaks above the neckline of the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. And that's where the price did change direction. Can you see that? That's where, that's the ultimate target. Can you see that? You see, in this, they put this target there. As soon as the price breaks above it here, you see that retest there. That target was there at that zone, okay, at 10939. Look, that's exactly where it stopped. All right, have you been trading the Australian dollar, US dollar? Wouldn't it be nice to know where the price is headed? And there was also a midpoint target somewhere in the zone here of 0.9423. All right, where my cursor is now. All right, you see here, this zone here was a midpoint target. Same zone, you see here, it break below the midpoint target, retest it, and then from there, they push it down again to the target level. Now, there is something that was said before. It's about Isaac Newton, all right, an English scientist, that says, as above, so below. You see here, as below, so above, all right? Do you see the head and shoulder here? This is the head here. This is the left-hand side shoulder. This is the right-hand side shoulder. And they bring it again down. As above, so below. Now we are back below again. So what the price did, that the price break below the neckline and it retested here. Again, look carefully here. It formed a double top and people shut it down. But you don't want to be too carried away. Yes or no? So those are the things that you want to tell somebody that is trading, okay, the Australian US dollar. The next thing that I want you to draw on your chart is this trend line here, connecting this low here, 2001, September 2001, to this low here, which is October 2008. And you draw that trend line on your chart. That trend line is very important trend line. Leave it on your chart and don't remove it. Whether you are day trading, swing trading, position trading, leave it on your chart. Even if you switch to your lower time frame, okay, sometime during the year, the price will come back to that zone, and you will be looking for a trading setup in the vicinity of that trend line. Another trend line that I want you to draw is this one here, connecting the high of July 2011 to the high of somewhere there. I'm on a monthly chart, by the way, to the April 2013. Those are 2 points. Draw another trend line like this, because it's a bearish trend line that was suppressing the price. One more thing, talking about Australian US dollar day and swing trading tips and tricks are now ready. All right. One more thing I want you to do is this. All right. Stay with me, please. All right. You want to use Pitchfork tool. So you see, George, I never heard about Pitchfork tool. So I say, all right, probably you are new trader like I was before. Don't worry too much. Go to www.dayprotraders.com. All right. Click on Andrew's Pitchfork tool. There are 2 web pages. One is called Andrew Pitchfork tool. Another one is called trading. Another one is called Pitchfork tool trading. Check those 2 web pages. All right. The first one is Andrew Pitchfork tool, so you may understand what I'm doing here. So we use the Andrew Pitchfork tool to determine a possible path that the price will take. So I want you to use a 3-point here. Here it is. The first point, the top here. The second point, this one here. This one is February 2018. This one here, August 2015. So I'm on the monthly chart. So the Pitchfork tool will determine the possible path that the price will take. You see how the price stuck in that decline channel. But don't get carried away for selling, because you see there was a bullish trend, price was going up, there was a sharp correction, price went up. Okay, I don't want to talk about earlier wave. It has been going down. Okay, so you see here, since 2011. Don't be too excited to sell too much this time. All right, don't be the last person to the party. So what should I say to trader at this point in time, my friend? Here it comes. We want to divide, you see, the pink line and the orange line. All right, the orange line is the median line of our measuring stick. You remember the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. So now divide again the range between the pink line and the orange line into 2 and highlight the 50% zone is somewhere roughly where we are now. You can use Fibonacci retracement, apply from here to here and highlight the 50% level to get the exact 50% level. I'm happy with it. I like to do it like this. Okay, but it's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to call out that median line between the pink line or the orange line into blue. So at this point in time, what I would say to you, my friend, are you my friend? Yes, we are. If you are still watching this video, how long have I been talking to you now? 8 minutes. We want to wrap it up very shortly, okay? Priority to bullish signal above 0.7114 and priority to bearish signal below 0.714. Okay, in fact, the whole number is 0.7147. Priorities, all right? That's what you need to do. So you are looking for bullish trading setup. So I'm on a monthly chart. If I drop down, this is what I want you to take away from this video. All right? You find a support above that blue line, prior to bullish signal, because it was a support here. It was a support here, meaning that people bought it there. It came back recently here. People bought it again. Now it's coming back there. It's also the median line between the pink line, all right, and the orange line, which is the median line of the measuring stick here. All right. That's it. Prior to bullish signal. If you are buying here above that level, watch out for that trend line here, this trend line. Watch out for that. All right. Nothing should stop you also, because it's your own chart. To draw again another line. You see here? You can draw a line like this. See this line? You see this line? This line you see here? What am I doing now? That's a very good question. The median line between that green trend line and the orange horizontal line. That's another line that I'm drawing here. I use a lot, professional traders use a lot median line. You remember when I was at the beginning of this tutorial, I was telling you about the measuring stick, you see. So they project it like this. They want to know what is the middle. See, the middle, remember, was somewhere here, yes or no? And so did that near the median line. So near the median line, remember there was a median line. Again, anytime you see two lines or two trend lines, two horizontal lines, remember the median line. So you were thinking of the orange, the pink, and the orange. We have the median line, which is the blue. I'm talking about the green trend line and this horizontal line. We have another yellow line. So what has happened? What has happened recently? The price went down. You see, instead of stopping exactly on the median line, because of the yellow median line, which is the median line between the green trend line and the orange line, they push it there. You see how they push it there? They push it there. And also because of the median line, look at this median line, this one. It's the median line of the upper half of the pitchfork tool, because the pitchfork tool has two parts. This is the upper half, and this is the lower half. This green line here is the median line of the upper half of the pitchfork tool. So you see, we have convergence of many median lines. So there is a support here. You see, intersection between the median line of the upper half of the pitchfork tool and the median line between the green trend line and this orange trend line. So in that zone, that's what I'm talking about. That's why I'm referring you to 07114. If you are trading Forex, it's very, very important to pay attention to the economy news. The economy news can change the dynamics of the technical trading. One cannot trade Forex without going to forexfactory.com to monitor the economy news that can change the dynamics of the market. So this is about, you see here, so what are we looking for? What have I done so far? You say, John, what are the tips? We have mapped out the charts. We have tried to understand what the message that the price is telling us, or what is happening. Now, the question we want to answer, where can we buy? We want to buy at a value support level, and we want to sell at a value resistance level. That's what we have done now by mapping out the chart. Zone where there's a high chance that we can look for an opportunity to buy or sell. All right? Now, if we want to buy, we must find first a bullish trading setup. And those bullish trading setup will occur around a key level. All right? When we see the setup, we must now implement what we call a different time frame trading method. For traders that are very new to the subject of different time frame trading method, just you to search the phrase top-down trading method by 24 stock trader YouTube channel. Digit 2, digit 4 stock trader YouTube channel. You will see a playlist of 5 videos. Take a week to master the subject of a top-down trading method. So you see that blue line, you see that orange line. Let's go beyond the monthly chart now. We go to the daily chart to investigate what is happening around us. You see recently how the price came near that, you see, yellow line, which is the median line between, the green trend line, all right, and the horizontal orange, like you see it. See, so they push it down, it went below this support level. They were trying to push it down. That tendency, but you see here, got a tail, was trying to retest also the median line of the upper half of the pitchfork tool. You see now? So by mapping on the chart, I come on the daily chart, I understand exactly what is happening. The price is now closed exactly at the level of 07114. Now also, now that we zoom into it on the daily chart, you can see that the price did acknowledge that blue line as a support zone by forming a double bottom here before. But because if you understand how the professional want, if they want to sell, they want to sell. If they want to buy at the best support level. So there are multiple support levels: the blue one, the orange one, and the median. They push it far to this one here, and then from there there were other here, and then this one got a tail. So what is happening now on the daily chart? There is one candlestick bar piercing through the orange line. So if for instance the price found a resistance below the 07114, right, the blue line, and start coming down, be aware of the orange line. Is it going to consolidate between the blue line and the orange line? All in all, you want to be very patient, and look for traces about that double bottom chart pattern. Is telling me that people wait buying in that zone, and they push it a little bit too far. Now it's going back above, All right, so there is a support also at 07056. This support zone. All right. If you go deeper, so that blue line, don't forget it, all right? Draw it on your chart, all right? Now we are on the hourly time frame. You come anytime you change time frame, all right? Anytime you change time frame, just draw the line, draw the channels, okay? All right? So on the hourly time frame, all right? We have, I'm going to draw roughly channel like this. Price breaks the ball, that yellow channel, okay, see here. You can measure the width of that channel, okay. I don't want the video to be too long because I want this video to be short. So hopefully we get our 50 views so I can come back again and record another video. Otherwise, I'll be posting instead of somewhere else. And then project it like this. You see how it stopped there? Do you understand what's happening in the financial market now? It's all mapped out. And the computers are doing that, okay? So you project the measure the width for the projection. So now we are on the edge of it, of that projection, okay? Now, don't forget what I said before. Professionals are using median line like a mad dog. Is he going to pull back nicely here or a little bit below it, forming a kind of inverted head and shoulder chart pattern on the hourly time frame before running up? Or is he going to fail there and start coming down? One lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high in that yellow channel on the hourly time frame. So you see now, from the monthly chart, we drop down to the daily chart. From the daily chart, we drop down, okay, to the hourly time frame. All we are doing, we are just investigating, looking for good reason why we should buy or sell, okay, at any point. And if you want to buy, you want to find good support level, you want to sell, find a very good resistance level. We are talking about key level, all right? And then we implement a different time frame trading method without forgetting forexfactory.com, where economy news are popping out like everywhere else, all right? Like never before, all right? So this will conclude our discussion today about Australian US dollar day and swing trading tips and tricks are now already. Feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr if you think this is an essential tutorial. If this video has been totally useful to you, please let us know. Giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. All right. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel is 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel. Sometimes I post video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is stochastic-mark-D. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Australian US dollar day and swing trading tips and tricks are now ready. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year to you. And I will speak to you soon.